Hey guys, I got the Road Glide loaded up and I'm making a run down to Daytona Beach for the 78th annual Bike Week event. I'm meeting my brother David, who's already down there, and the weather forecast is perfect for the next few days, so it should be a pretty good time. In this video, we're going to spend a few minutes down on Main Street, and then I'm going to take you on a beautiful scenic ride. It's called the Ormond Scenic Loop, and you don't want to miss that. Once we complete that, we're going to run down to Ponce Inlet, another beautiful place to go visit while you're down in Daytona. And we'll finish up with a motorcycle show. I've got about a 6-hour ride ahead of me, so let's get started, and I'll see you down on Main Street. Okay, we just got the bikes parked. Now we're gonna walk up here and take in some sights and sounds. Main Street. Check that out. What in the... Okay guys, we just left Main Street and now I want to take you and show you this beautiful scenic ride called the Ormond Scenic Loop. This is a 30+ mile loop that takes us through some of the most beautiful, diverse natural scenery that you're going to find here in coastal Central Florida. It's a place where you can take a break from some of the crowds as well as air your bike out. So let's take a look at it. Beautiful, beautiful. What kind of trees are those, David?
I do not know, Daryl.
And there are multiple places you can pull over and stop, just like you see right here where these folks are. And much of this road is covered by a beautiful canopy of trees that really makes for a beautiful, beautiful ride. The speed limits around here range between 35 and 45, so it really is, you know, a relaxing ride. So if you ever visit this area, do yourself a favor and ride the loop. But for now, wherever you are, I hope you can sit back and just enjoy this beautiful scenic ride with us. there anything on the right there? We just missed a pretty good spot, but that's all right. I mean, we keep rolling. It's got more tree lines down here. There's some more nice scenery here. We're going to pull up here and just soak in some of this beautiful scenery. This is real nice. How about right in here, David?
Yep. Watch your motor, watch your six, watch your six.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is nice. You know, David and I were just discussing how having good hobbies help keep you young and active when we actually caught several of our friends riding the loop as well. In the front is Marty, followed by 76-year-old Uncle Joe. Then Rudy, followed by Tracy. They were also featured in our Smoky Mountain Ride video. Well, David and I are going to finish riding the loop. Then we're going to change some riding gear and we'll take you to another great place to visit when you come down to Daytona, and that's Ponce Inlet. Okay, so we just finished the ride on the loop. We're now going to ride down to the Ponce Inlet, which is south of Daytona. It's a cool place that we go to and to refresh ourselves, get something to eat, something to drink, and it's another place to go where you can sort of take a break from the crowd. They have a lighthouse down here. They have a boat rentals and fishing excursions you can take to go out to some deep sea fishing. Pretty cool. Yeah, you can see here some really nice homes along this ride as well. But especially as you get right here to Ponce Inlet, I mean, look at those properties. Very nice. Making the right here on Lighthouse Drive. There's the lighthouse right there. Here's where you can take an excursion for some deep sea fishing. Pretty cool. Okay, here we are at the Hidden Treasures Rum Bar and Grill. The Hidden Treasure parking lot is shaded with these beautiful trees. And a large pirate to watch over things. And this restaurant actually sits in the shadow of the Ponce Inlet Lighthouse. When you walk in, you're greeted with a large pet-friendly shaded deck that's actually built around the trees. Overlooking beautiful Ponce Inlet waterways. Here they serve fresh seafood, steak, and pastas. You may even see a regular visitor who employees have named Joy. And of course you'll see boats navigating the waters. just off the deck. There used to be a lot more docks here, but I assume the storms of the past have taken their toll. And during our time here, we always visit the property around the lighthouse, which by the way was built in 1887. It's 175 feet tall and 203 steps to the top. It's open 7 days a week, except for Thanksgiving and Christmas, and there is a fee to climb up. But man, it offers some spectacular views, and I regret not going up on this trip to show you what we missed. And as always, we visit the Veterans Memorial and pay our respects to those who served. And this is the deep sea fishing company, the Critter Fleet, we saw as we entered into the area. I wonder what it's like to catch something like that. As the time passed, you can see that the restaurant has a few more visitors than when we arrived. And hey, the next morning, we were on the move. We're heading down to Beach Street. There's an old school chopper bike show down there, so we're gonna go check out some of the old school stuff. Okay guys, we just arrived here at the Indian Motorcycle Dealership. It's where the Rat's Hole Motorcycle Show is taking place. And man, these bikes have some significant investment in time and money. So let's have a closer look. Well, we're going to continue to hang around here at the motorcycle show for a while. We've had a great time down here in Daytona Bike Week, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching. Till next time, be well and stay safe.